tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to create a website using six let me work with six web pages, and we'll be using frames today. So I've created this folder called frames so that we'll be putting our pages in a single folder. So let's go to Sublime. Right, if you check here, I've got 6 pages. The first one is called main, and it's still blank because I haven't written anything, so that I'll show you guys from the start. And then I've got this one called links. I've got the other one, logo, samples, contacts, price. Okay, and you can see that I have saved them using an extension .html. Okay, so to begin with, let's go to our main web page. Okay, so we are using HTML, so we need to write the structure of the HTML, and then we can give a title called main. Okay, and then we come to the body, but in this one, when we are writing frames, I would like to write this one without the body. Let me just remove this one. I can write straight from the head. Straight from the head. Okay, after the cross and take of the head, and then I can put frame sets like that. Okay, then we get in the opening tag of the frame set. So we are going to need the rows and columns in our frames. So our website, we have 3 frames on one side, on one page. Okay, so I'll have to specify the size. So in the first row, we will need 20. Let's say 20% there, and the other part will be 18, like that, and then we're going to need a frame name. So we'll come here, like name. We're going to give it a name, my logo. Let me say my logo, because I want the first row to display the logo of this site which I'm developing. Okay, so it will be called my logo. Then the source is equal to logo.html. Okay, then after that, we are going to need another frame set again. So I'm going to put another frame set here. We're going to open another frame set there, like that. Frame set which contains columns. So columns, and we're going to specify again the size, like that, like that, and then we go out like that. We are going to need another frame again, because we said we need three frames. So the second frame, let me name it links. You will see why I'm doing all this after I'm done here. Source, we are going to get these links from our page called links.html, like that. And then the last frame which we are going to need, we can name it main, which is the one which we are in right now. And this main frame is the one which we are going to use to display everything, our logo, and the other frame, the other part of the frame will be showing us links. And the moment you click on that link will be displaying some information on the third frame which we have. So in this case, we are going to just give the name and leave it like that. We're just going to do like that and leave it like that. Then we close our frame. We close the second frame set, this one. Then the first one with this one. So this is now okay like that. Then you save. Okay, so we are done with our first page. Then we go to links. Now we put our HTML structure, then our title, links, then we come to the body. Inside the body, we are going to put our links inside here. So href, right, samples.html, like that. But now we are going to use the word target. What are we targeting? We are targeting main. We are targeting the main page, so that the moment we click on these links, they will refer to the main page, and they display whatever is in the link. So that is why we are writing target. We are targeting main, right? The main page. So now we are creating our links. Samples. I'm sure you guys now know how to create links. I once showed in my previous video how to create links. So I hope and trust that you guys are now able to create some links. I'm sure you can put some comments and maybe help me if you don't understand, or even you can ask questions or any contributions. I would really appreciate it, guys. Okay, so I want to copy and paste this in order to save time. But when you do your copy and paste, don't forget to change where it's necessary, so that you won't have problems. Okay, so we also have that, but we also have another link. We want it to come from contacts, but it's also targeting the main. It's also targeting the main page. Okay, and then last price, right? Price. So here it can be called price guide. Okay, so we are done with our links. Then we can save these changes. Okay, let's go to the next page. HTML, like that. So this one is the logo page. I have to put our logo in here. Okay, we want it to be on the center, and then at the same time we want it to be bolded. Yes, the name of the company is supposed to be what? To be bolded in this case. So let's call it Seaport Designs. Designs, like that. Yes. Yes. Okay, like that. I want it to be a heading. Alright, heading 2. Place it here. H2. Okay, let me remove this one. copy and pasted itself there. So now we have a lot of H2s. Okay, so we have center and center, the closing tag for center, then H2, H2, and bold and bold. Okay, there we go. So we're going to place our image in here, right at the center. Then our image source, where are we taking it? My logo dot png. Then we have to adjust the width. Maybe we can say 90. Then the height, we can say 90 again. And then we save. Okay, and save. Then we go to our page of samples. Okay, maybe before we go to samples, let's go and check out so far what we have so far. If this whole thing is working, or if it's making sense. Okay, guys. Okay, let's minimize this and go and check in our folder where we are saving our things. Okay, so we were in main. We come and open the main page. Let's see what we have. Wow, so we have got our web page here, which is displaying 3 frames on a single page. Okay, the first frame is this one with a logo, and the second frame is this one with some links, and then we have got this other part which is blank, which is the one I was saying we want it to be a display frame. Okay, so in this case we are seeing that we've got an imaginary company which is called Seaport Designs, and that's the logo for the company. And this company, it sells different items. So these items are the ones which I'm going to put in samples, so that the moment when I click samples, the samples will then be displayed on this blank page here. And their contact details will also be in the link called contacts. The moment I click contacts, the contacts are supposed to display on this page. The moment I click price guide, the price list is going to display on this blank page. Okay, guys, I hope you are enjoying this as much as I am. Okay, let's go back to our code and finish up. So we are done with main, links, logo. Now we are in samples. Samples, we put the structure for our HTML samples. Okay, so in these samples, for our items to be in order, we need to create a table so that they will be displayed in a table. Okay, so we're going to need a TR, but in this case we don't need T heads. They are just items. They are just items which are supposed to be displayed in a table. Okay. Okay. So there we go. These items are images. They are images. So these images, I'm going to put them here. The other one is called black.jpg. .jpg. So now we have inserted items in our table, and let's go and check what we have in our table. Okay, like I was saying, so if you click on samples, it's supposed to display the items which this company is designing or whatever, selling or whatever doing. Okay, so those are the items which that Seaport designs is selling. Okay, so I am sure you guys would want their contacts. So let's go and fill in our contact page and price guide. Contacts. Okay, you go to contacts, phone number, sure. We have to write the structure first. Contacts. Okay, then you come to the body, and that's when you write the contact details there. Contacts. So this one, let's see, put it like that. Then I need to broaden this. I need to broaden that and like that. Okay. I can maybe make it a heading back. Yeah, like that. Yes. So that if we say phone, can contact them here on this number. And then email, you can email them on this address, cdesigns at gmail.com. Okay, maybe their address, product address, let's say Blue Roof, Blue Roof, okay, Blue Roof, number 120, Bulawayo. Yeah, something like that. Okay, save. And then last button, yeah, last part, we need the price list. So prices here, people will need to know the prices of those clothes. Okay, like that. Price guide, like that. Okay, so I'm going to put the price guide here. Let's do this. Okay, so now we have got our price guide here. So if we go and check where, let's go and check our website and see now how it's functioning. Okay, so here it is. We've got this website. It's called Seaport Designs. and their logo there. And once you get to this website, you can see that there are links which directs you to their samples and their contact details, and also the price list for their samples, what they have. So let's go and see what they offer, the samples which they have, so that we'll be able to purchase one or two. Okay, so if you click on samples, you can see that we have a table which is showing us some samples of what they have in stock, and then our price guide. Okay, so now saying main tie, when they are two, they cost 10 US dollars, and the dresses, one is costing 100 US, and some outfits, if it's one, it's costing 200 US. So if you're interested, you can contact these guys on their phone number there, or you can send an email, or you can go there in person. So this is our website, which is linking us to the different pages. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really need your support. If you can put some comments and help me on one and two things, I would really appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for watching.